Alright guys, use this new method to enhance your photos and videos on CapCut for free. So I'm sure you have CapCut on your phone. You click on CapCut, then you click on new project, then you choose a picture that you want to edit, whose quality you want to enhance. Let's choose this boy. After clicking it, then you add it. So after adding it, you play the video. So it is just a picture. So next, you have to click on the video and look for the button which says adjust. After adjust, then look for HSL. So this is HSL. For each, you are going to be adjusting the saturation to the fullest level. So we are going to drag the red one to the fullest level now. Then you click on the orange. You are going to notice some changes. Then you click on the yellow. Then you click on the green, on the light blue, deep blue, purple. So you are going to increase that saturation only and leave the rest. Then you are going to notice the changes. You can see the changes as I am clicking it. Can you notice it? So the next thing, if you wish, you can adjust the clarity. The clarity is also free. It makes it look better, but sometimes you don't have to increase the clarity. You can see and notice that there is a change in it. So editing is not about adjusting too much color, but making it more good. So this is how to edit videos like a pro. Even if you don't have any knowledge, you don't have to examine anything. The next thing we are going to do now, we are going to try it for a video. So we are going to look for a video that we can use. So let's pick this avatar video I created with agent. So let's use this one. Click on add. You can choose any video you like. So this is the video we are going to be using. Played it, you can see this is a video. Next thing, we are going to look for that same adjust, and click on it. Then these are filters, but you don't need filters. This is a very simple tutorial. You don't need to adjust anything but the HSL. So you click on the HSL, then you start increasing the color of each one, the way we did it for the photos. So you are going to be noticing some changes in the picture. You only have to adjust the saturation. Each bottle adjusts the particular color, makes it look steeper. So you don't have to touch the lightness or any other thing. So next, you can try this clarity. It makes it more bolder. You can notice that there is a clear difference between the first image and the second image without touching lightness, brightness, saturation or anything. So this is how you can edit like a pro without any knowledge, and it's completely free on CapCut. You can also do it on other editing apps like VN Editor and YouCut. So thanks for watching this video. See you. Tension cuts through the electric line.